The number 17. Outside of Tavia, the number 18, the Enns brothers number 18 is Dustin Enns. Number 38 is Dan Klim. The 67 is Mark Zondag. 73 is Rennie Paluco, and on the back, the 04 is Wayne Grosky. Wayne Grosky, that is your lineup for Heat 1 of 2 in the truck division. And that was, I don't think it was. Ray from RM Auto Tech waving the checkered flag for the super trucks, I'm thinking. Uh-oh. It's one of our featured drivers, Mark Zontag. He gets it going. Now, you may wonder why he got going when everybody else is so far ahead of him. Well, if you cause a yellow or a caution period in what we call a heat race, which are these qualifying races, you get a one-way ticket to the pit area. Dustin Enns and the Enns brothers 18 is looking sharp, but look at Tavia Dorge, a young lady, mother of one, is the R&D sales and service number 17. She is in the hunt. She's on the bottom. 18 of Enns is doing well on the top side of the racetrack, but the 17 of Tavia Dorge is working the bottom. Now here comes Mr. Excitement, Rennie Paluco, in the white 73. He's currently third, but he is moving in on Tavia Dorge's pink 17. Good race for second place with 2 laps to go. Tavia Dorge on the bottom in the 17. Here goes Paluco on the high side. He will have the advantage coming off of turn 2. Tavia Dorge has moved to third spot by Mr. Excitement, one of our featured drivers. Here comes Tavia. She's not ready to give up just yet. What a great race as the white flag comes out. This one's not over. Tavia Dorge in the pink 17. Oops, just bumped the tire down there. That slowed her up just a little bit. Checkered flag is, what's happening? So who's winning this race? We need to finish for that last race. Please. Okay, that's right then. Okay. Dustin Enns is the winner. As you see it on the AIE Bell scoreboard, the bell board is right. 18 of Dustin Enns, the 73 of Paluco, the 17 of Tavia Dorge, the 38 and the 67 round out the top 5. So, I'd like to remind you that if you're a NASCAR fan, get down to Tavern United Windsor Park all season long to catch all the racing action. With great food, ice-cold beverages, and amazing prizes to be won weekly, it's easy to see why Tavern United is your home for NASCAR. Tavern United, Windsor Park, 1034 Elizabeth Road. All right, here's our second of 2 truck heats. Darren Lane driving the 52 to his outside. Rod Pidler in the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2. And look at these guys get after it right away. Door to door and turn 4. They're 3 deep coming at you. The 19 of Rick Lowy driving the Olympic Building Centers. Number 19 goes to 3rd. Jamie Vernaus. Driver of the 2D, he goes from 4th spot to a yellow flag. Oh, I didn't see number 62 stop down there facing the wrong way. 52, sorry. Number 52. So, I think, so well, so we go back to the last completed lap. That puts the 19, according to the lap board, puts the 19 on the number 1 spot. We're 1 lap to green. We started this race with 5 trucks and we're down to 4. What happened to the 4th one? Oh, he caused the yellow. He's out of here. That's why when you go around by yourself, you should get going. So at least you get to come out and get the practice. But what do I know? Not much. So we have 7 to go. Whoa, we lost another one. This is like an Australian pursuit race. 2 more laps, there'll be 1 guy left. Let's give him the checkered on with the next event. Rod Fidler with the restart lead in the Dynasty Bathrooms 2, and he's got a couple of quick ones on his back bumper. Rod Fidler in the Dynasty Bathrooms 2, but look at this. Jamie Vernaus in the Empire 2D is your leader. The 19 of Rick Lowy, a guy that's raced super stocks, street stocks, trucks. I think he's even tried late model a couple of times. He's currently running 2nd in the Oakwood Roofing number 19. Jamie Vernaus. Jamie Vernaus with 5 to go. 2nd is Rick Lowy. 3rd, it's Rod Pidler. Not much of a mystery in this one. The thing that gets me about a race like this is I could have been 4th, you know? Like I could be 4th in this race. Maybe. Don't forget to get a 50-50 ticket, everybody. Can't win if you're not in. We gave away anywhere from $500 to $1,200 bucks a week here. Half the money to the lucky ticket holder and half to the driver's point fund. Vernaus on the high side now, trying the racetrack out in different spots. Two to go, and the mystery suspense is killing me. I don't know about you, but oh, here comes the white flag. Enzymes, sponsors on the 2D. He is long gone on these guys. Long gone. Well, Jamie Vernaus in the 2D started 4th and wins it by half a straightaway, maybe a whole one. There's your winner, Jamie Vernaus. How about a big hand for him? 2nd spot goes to Rick Lowy in the number 19. 3rd goes to Rod Fidler in the Dynasty Bathrooms, number 2. Western Marble, Granite, and Tile. Brian Bomer, host of TV's Disaster Do-It-Yourself and House of Brian, knows quality work. That's why Western Marble and Tile, Winnipeg's family-owned marble, granite, and quartz countertop experts, are a Bombier, I think, approved company. That means that they meet high standards set by one of TV's most trusted building experts. See why that'll make a huge difference in the quality of your next kitchen or bathroom countertop at Western Marble and Tile, 1321 Yukon, off Empress Street.
All right, how many of you guys like free stuff out there? Make some noise. Come on now. We've got some free giveaways, courtesy of Superior Asphalt Paving. Who wants some free stuff? You got to stand up to catch those